Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to record screen online without install on PC. Well, you will enjoy this video. Okay, now open the Wii browser. Now go to www.screencast-o-matic.com. Click on Start Recording for free. Now downloading the WebLaunch recorder. OK. Now click on the WebLaunch recorder. Now you can start recorder your screen. You can record full screen or whatever you want. OK. Start recording by press this button. Very cool. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy this video. I will post more videos. Please help to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Good.